This is the 1984 Honda ATC70 that hasn't started up in over 8 years, and we're about to give it a try and see if it'll cheech to life.
It's got
using a drill, no less.
Chokes on. It's got gas in the carburetor.
Through this lovely high-tech fuel system here. Here we go.
Alright, Ryan, somebody operate the gas.
Alright.
Ready?
Yep.
It went right there.
Yeah. The old high idle. See, it wouldn't be doing all this if it wasn't a Honda, honestly. If it wasn't a Honda, it'd probably be all sorts of fucked.
Probably shouldn't run it too long. I don't want it to overheat.
It's got gas on the engine, that's why it's doing that.
And it's burning the fuck out of some oil, probably.
I can't believe it. That's literally the first time it's ran in 8 years.
Yeah, that's a fucking Honda for you. There you go.
Put your chain on this one, bitch.
No.
Now it's time for that one.
Yeah, the rest of
this one.
The 30 projects I have.
Alright, so what are we doing now, Brandon?
Trying to get this fucking chain to work. It's literally one link too fucking short. Come over here and I'll show you. Just one. Ain't that some shit?
Yeah.
Take one off that one. Take one off that one.
So we've seen this thing cheech to life already, so it's looking promising for us. Alright, the maiden voyage of 8 years. That thing's engine sounds like Lars' snare.
What time is it?
I don't know yet.
It's fucking 12:36.
Fuck whoever complains about this shit.
It's so cute. Look at the little thing. What? I said it's so cute. Oh, I know. The motherfucker will get it for a 70.